So the next topic is all about Jan Piaget's stages of cognitive development. Stages of cognitive development. First is yung sensory motor stage, the pre-operational stage, the concrete operational stage, and the formal operational stage. Sa sensory motor stage naman, dito ginagamit ng isang bata ang kanyang senses at ang kanyang motor abilities to understand the world. Pre-operational stage is that gumagamit ang isang bata ng internal representation. For example, gumagamit sila ng symbols to represent objects. Under pre-operational stage, may tinatawag tayong egocentric. Dito, nangyayari ang dissolve problems through representation. Dito din nade-develop yung kanilang language at saka yung thought and logic nila are both egocentric. What do you mean by egocentric? Nakikita lang nila sa kanilang point of view without understanding someone's perspective. Tayong intuitive stage. Sa intuitive stage, ang isang bata ay hindi niya kayang masolve ang conservation problems. Ang kanyang judgment lang din ay based sa kanyang perception rather than the logic. Operational stage naman, dito naa-attain ng isang bata ang reversibility. Like for example, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Ang isang bata din during this time is nakakasolve na siya ng conservative problems at yung logical operation niya na de-develop niya at yung mga complex verbal problems is nasosolve na dito ng isang bata. Operational stage o yung tinatawag nating formal operational stage, ang isang bata can logically solve all types of problems. They can also think scientifically, they can also solve complex verbal problems, and yung cognitive structures nila is naa-attain na.